Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling NFC and opening the NFC Tools app. This is where you control reads and writes. Once done, grant the app permissions so tag access works reliably. Make sure your tags match the app's supported types like NTag 213 to avoid write errors. Now tap the Read tab once, then place a blank tag on the phone's antenna area. You'll see raw UID and memory info. This early confirmation prevents wasted write attempts and frames the rest of the workflow. You now create the exact payload. Pick Add a record and select URL, text, or application launch depending on intent. Once chosen, fill fields precisely and use advanced options to set NDEF size or password protection for security. Preview the combined records so you know the final NDEF layout because tags have limited memory. When ready, tap Write and hold the tag steady on the antenna. You'll get a success tone or error. If you plan multiple records, sequence them. You finish by reading the tag to verify the exact NDEF records and then test the action on the intended phone or reader. If something fails, check 3 things: compatibility of the tag type with your record size, that NFC and app permissions are active, and that the tag was aligned over the antenna during writing. Make sure not to permanently lock the tag until you're certain. If repeated errors occur, try a different tag or reboot the phone and retry the write process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.